Welcome to Exxpert SEM. It's a unit of Thoughtware Training Private Limited. This organization is based in Bangalore, 5 years old organization, managed by a team of supply chain and logistic professionals who have a rich experience in various organizations. I am heading the organization. My name is Pattabhi Raman. I have nearly 25 years of experience in large multinational company, mainly in supply chain and allied domains at various levels. In the last 10 years, I was heading the supply chain of this multinational organization. So at some point of a time, I have handled each of the subdomain inside the supply chain. As far as certification is concerned, I am APIX certified professional. Hope you know about APIX. If you are in supply chain, you should know about this, specifically if you are in the job market. They are highly recognized global certification for supply chain and logistics. So I am certified by APIX in 3 certification category like CPIM, CSCP, CLTD. Also there is an institute called Demand Driven Institute for which we are affiliate in India. They also provide certification like Demand Driven Planner Professional, which I am certified. There is also one institute called ISM, International Institute of Supply Management. They provide various certification. I have received a CPM, Certified Purchasing Manager. I am also a project management professional. Coming to our service, we provide consulting mainly in the areas of supply chain, either for optimization in terms of cost, quality, timing. As far as training is concerned, we provide short-term training which are more of a job-oriented. They are either called executive certificate or executive diploma program. We do topics on supply chain, logistics, purchasing. One of our popular program which is globally recognized is supply chain analytics program. Here we are trying to combine supply chain knowledge and see how analytics can improve the performance of supply chain, especially the e-commerce company widely use supply chain analytics, but in manufacturing it is still at the nascent stage. So here you need a blend of both the analytic knowledge as well as deep domain knowledge. Okay, this is what I am expert for. I have worked in large organization. Also I have a deep understanding of the process as well as analytics. So my training program is usually combined knowledge of practical experience. We use basically Python as an analytical tool. Apart from advanced Excel, SQL, you can also learn visualization tool like Power BI. All programs are affordable. If you want to select a good training program, specifically supply chain analytics, you should look for 3 important qualities. Number 1, you should know who is the trainer. In terms of experience, you have to analyze whether a trainer is totally academic, is he industry oriented, does he have at least 20 years experience. This matters much when you are undergoing training. This is one of the key important factor. Number 2 is whether the trainer is APIX certified, because the certification provided by APIX is highly complicated and also tough to pass such examinations. Number 3 is also whether the same APIX certified trainer can provide analytical training is very important, because this is one big vacuum in the entire market, because the supply chain training is provided by the domain experts and analytics training is provided by one more different domain expert, but combining is very difficult. This is where I come into picture. I qualify all this minimum requirement in terms of organizational experience. Number 2, APIX certification. Number 3, combining analytics to the supply chain area. So whenever you are looking, just don't look for the brand or the money. Please look for the rich knowledge of the trainers. So in case you need any help or advice or consultation, you are welcome to reach me. Thanks for listening. Bye.